Hi there, we're still in lesson 10 of your theory book 1, but we're on page 29. Open up your book and I'll share my screen so we can look at our book together. So on page 29, we're still talking about measures. Remember, measures divide your music into sections. So a section, and on this page, we're looking at half notes, dotted half notes, and whole notes. At the top of the page, it tells you the staff is divided into measures. So take a look at this very top. Let's count the measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you remember that from the prior page. It says below each half note or half rest, write 1, 2. Now you don't have to put that little dash. You can if you want to, but it ends up getting crowded when you write those dashes. I usually write 1, 2 like this. 1, 2. But you may, if you prefer, put 1 dash 2. It kind of shows that they go together. Either way is correct. I just prefer to do 1, 2. You want to make sure the first number is directly underneath the note or rest. So in this case, the 1, and I'm going to go ahead and put the dash in there. Either way is correct. So it says write the 1 directly under the note head or rest, then followed by the 2. Next, B, it says clap and count the rhythm aloud. So you're only going to clap on the note. So you're going to hold while you say 2, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then on this one where there's a rest, we're not going to clap. 1, 2, 1, 2. See how that works? So that takes just a little bit of practice. And then we're going to pick a note on the piano. Any note that you want, I'm going to play middle C. So starting at the beginning, it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. The no note. 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can try that. Okay, so number 5, the staff below is divided into measures. Now notice there are dotted half notes. You've already learned in your theory book on prior pages that a dotted half note gets 3 beats. So here we're going to be writing 1, 2, 3. And if you prefer, you can put the dashes in. Either way is fine, but those dashes end up taking up a lot of space. So I usually prefer to leave the dashes out myself. Just what's most important is that you put the 1 directly underneath the note. Then the others can kind of take up the rest of the space. Okay, so then we'll clap and count the rhythm. Okay, so with starting at the beginning, ready, clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And notice I kind of pulse the other beats. So we only clap when there's a note. We hold our hands together and feel the beat 2 and 3. Did you notice that? Let's go to part C of question 5. Pick any note on the piano, and we're going to do the same thing. Any note, okay? You can use a black key, a white key, any key. I'm going to use middle C. So listen. 1, ready, listen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Notice I hold my finger down. Do you hear the sound continuing for all 3 beats? Question number 6 is the exact same thing. We're just using a whole note, which gets 4 beats instead of a dotted half note. So we're going to write in 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did not put the 1 directly underneath that whole rest. It's resting for the whole measure, so it doesn't really matter. We're going to be quiet silence for the whole measure. So the same thing, you're going to continue writing in your numbers on your workbook. Then you're going to clap the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then rest. 2, 3, 4. Clap. 2, 3, 4. Then rest. 2, 3, 4. And then play it on the piano. That's going to help you with page 29. Don't skip the clapping aloud and counting aloud and playing on your piano. It's very important. It's going to help you a lot. Don't just write in your workbook, but also do the playing part. Good luck. Have fun with your theory. Your theory is going to make you a magnificent musician. See you in the next video.